Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the price of silver, what we have seen that it is moving in this particular zone for quite some time. Okay, and the zone high is at around $21.215 and a low of at around $17.528. Okay, so what you have to keep this in mind, if the price comes close to these levels, then we can see there is a probability of moving upside, or it can move further low if the price fall below, or upside if goes above that level and fall below a level of this particular zone. Okay, now it is currently trading at around $18.971. As we have seen, the Fed has increased the rate again, so probability is very high that if the price didn't sustain this particular level, before we move forward and explain you, if you have any doubt regarding silver or any other commodities, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now look at this particular chart. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, which is a high probability that we can see it can fall further down, and a probability of touching 18.762 is there, and this support is already a weak support, so probability is very high that we can see it can fall further down, and a probability of touching another new support of around $18.654. okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $18.364, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of around $18.207. okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $18.125, which is a weak support. From there we can see it can touch a level of around $17.800. okay, and this $17.800, if goes below that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a strong support of $17.516, and from there we can see it can bounce back towards an upside, or if it goes below that particular level, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of $17.272. okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of around $16.622, and from there we can see it can fall further low if the price fall below that particular level. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. If the price fall below a level of 17.5, then probability of moving further down is very high. But if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, okay, then we can see it can move further upside, and a probability of touching a level of 19.337 is there. Okay, and if the price move above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $19.444. okay, and once the price goes above this particular level, because this 19.444 is a strong weak resistance, so probability is very high, we can see it can go towards a level of around $19.818, and from there we can see it can go further high towards a level of around $20.459. keep this in mind. Once the price goes above a level of $19.818, then we can see it can touch a level of $20.032, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around $20.566. okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside, and our probability of touching 21.260 is there, and from there we can see it can move further upside if the price goes above this particular level. Keep this in mind. If the price close comes to around 21.260, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of around 22.489 also if the price sustain above a level of $21.5, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 21.901 to a level of around 22.5, because these resistance are already weak resistance, so chances are very high we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 23 also if the price sustain a level of 21.5, then we can see it can move further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,